Popping from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. No, baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back?
So hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by BLL Hair. I think that's what they're called. Honestly, I'm not sure, but they are from Amazon, and on Amazon I think it's called BLL, which is short, I think it's short for Beauty and Love Hair. But regardless, the link will be down in the description box. So they sent me their human deep wave hair, and this was to help with my boho braids. Honestly guys, every single time I'm supposed to do these boho braids, I always chicken out because I do not like sitting down for more than at least 3 hours to do my hair. So when this company reached out to me and told me that they are sponsoring this video and they're going to send me like the human hair, like the curly part of the braiding style, I was like, okay, fine. Only because the hair was already pre-divided, it was pre-stretched, it has edge control on the roots, and the curls were very much durable. Like, I don't have this style in my head right now, but when I tell you, I really enjoyed wearing it, and everywhere I went, everybody was just like, oh my gosh, these curls, they are so pretty. Like, literally, I traveled around the world with these curls in my head and everybody loved them. Now, how does this company save you some time when doing your braids? As I mentioned before, the hair is pre-divided. So the time that the braider or you would have taken to actually separate the hair, that is all gone. The hair is pre-stretched. So again, you don't need to do that. That's another time being cut off. Third, edge control is already added to the roots. And you know, when you're doing braids and you want to add the curls, you have to put a little bit of edge control on it so that the hair can actually stay together. So when you're braiding it, it's not being separated. And then it is durable. So after the hair is done and you're wearing it, once you wet it, mousse it up, define the curls, you don't really have to keep doing it over and over and over again. And this is why I was super happy when they reached out to me, because I was just like, anything to save me some time. Anything. No, I could not do this hairstyle by myself. Let's make that clear. I couldn't do this hairstyle by myself. And so I ended up getting my sister to actually do it for me. And honestly, guys, it came out so cute. Loved it. I actually added most of the curls. The amount that they sent to me actually did my entire head. And I had some left over. The amount that they sent to me was probably equivalent to like 5 bundles. And I'm going to say I ended up probably using 3 or maybe 3.5 out of the 5 bundles that they sent to me. And I did put a lot of curls in my hair because I really wanted it to be very curly. That was the aim, and that's why in the first place I even actually asked them to send roughly 5 bundles, because I was just like, I need more curls than braids. And even when I added more curls than braids, I still had some left over. It was very cute. I really love this hairstyle, and I really love the fact that this company actually saved me a lot of times, because I know typically it probably would take, I'm going to say 7 hours, and we did this in roughly 5. But yeah, I'm pretty much just going to let you guys watch as I get my hair braided. But yeah, I will come back at the end of the video, or I will come back in between if I need to say anything else to you guys. But honestly, there's nothing really to explain than for you to just pretty much watch the video. And after everything is finished, I'm going to come back when I am like defining the curls and pretty much just getting the curls ready for the final look.
But it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Go tell them what you know, what you see, though. Go tell your friends about it. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. Don't tell them what you know, what you see, how I did it on the low. Go tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the inside.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around, find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes, I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing though, women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday.
For the styling of the hair, all we pretty much did was just added some rods to the end of like the braided hair because we wanted it to mimic the human hair itself. And then we placed them in some hot water, allowed it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes just so the curls could set in the hair. Then we also hot watered the braids itself, because if you don't hot water the braids, then they're going to be stiff and it won't be as flowy and cute. Then we went in with the mousse and pretty much just added some shine to the hair, tamed any flyaways, and also to help further define the human hair curls. But that is pretty much all we did. Just the hot water for the ends, hot water for the braids, and then some mousse to give it that shine, to tame any flyaways. And then I did my edges, and that was pretty much it. It's pretty much the final look. I really loved how cute these curls were. They were fluffy and they were just giving everything that they were supposed to give. But yeah, once again, I would like to thank BLL Hair for sponsoring this video. The links, like I said, will be down in the description box, so do not forget to check that out if you would love to purchase this hair. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Get a beat, let it drag on the floor. Tonight in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Bitch on the bed, we know advance. Give my nigga a chance. I see what he gon' do. Get it rid of them bands. I done got me some bands too. Can drip on the ground too. So my hood let it.